Question 3. So I've got some graphical inequalities here, and they want to know the set of values which the shaded regions are representing. So if we look at A first, so I've got a dotted line going through x equals -1, and everything below that is shaded. So x is less than -1, and then because the dotted line, because it's a dotted line rather than a solid line, that's not going to include -1, so I'll leave that as a strict inequality. And then looking over here, I've got the straight line x equals 3, and it's everything greater than that which is shaded, and again it's a dotted line, so it's not going to include 3, and it can be either of those two regions. So looking to question B, the first thing I'm going to need to do is figure out the equation of that quadratic. So it's going through 3 and -1, so one possible equation for that quadratic, it's going to be x plus 1, x minus 3. Now, I don't know for certain that that is the equation, because there could be a coefficient there. But if I check the y-intercept, so if I expand those brackets out, so that's going to give me x squared minus 3x plus x, so minus 2x, and then minus 3. That's good news, because that y-intercept matches the one on the graph, so there is no missing coefficient there. So I've got the equation. Okay, so then everything below the graph is shaded. So the area that they've shaded is the values of y that are below that quadratic, and again it's a dotted line, so it's a strict inequality, it can't equal that quadratic.